Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. You're highly welcome. It's Mommy Ibechuku here. We are making zobo, and these are the things we are needing for today's zobo. This is my frozen cucumber. It gives the zobo a fresh taste. My ginger roots, I've scraped it and washed it. My cloves, this is cloves. It's also called camphor or zobo pepper. Ripe sweet pineapple. I'm making use of 2 big sweet pineapple, and this is my zobo leaves. I'm making use of 1 paint bucket, so it's actually big. It's a big size zobo I'm making today. I'll start by cutting off the peel of the pineapple. The pineapple has been washed, so I'll start by cutting off the peel, which I'll be using in this zobo. After peeling off the skin of the pineapple, you cut the flesh of the pineapple into a smaller chunk that your blender can blend. If you don't have blender, but you have a mortar and pestle, you should use them to pound the pineapple. This is what I'm going to do for the goats. Don't discard the peel of the pineapple because you'll be needing it for your zobo. is ready. Let me have a sip. So delicious. I added ice to make it cold and cucumber for that fresh cucumber taste. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.